In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text vertical in Affinity. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to rotate your text so it reads top to bottom, which is perfect for posters, spine labels, social graphics, or any layout that needs strong vertical type. We'll keep things simple and stick to the essentials, while I point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. It doesn't matter whether you're working in a fresh document or an existing project, the steps are identical. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so all the controls at the top of the screen are available. Next, click on your text. You're selecting the text object you want to turn vertical. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and handles appear around it. If you're working with multiple layers, make sure you've actually targeted the text layer so the right object gets transformed. Whether your text is a point text object or a text frame, selecting it ensures the commands we're about to use apply to the correct layer. Now look toward the top of the interface for the transform controls. These sit in the context toolbar and show options related to the object you've selected. When a text object is active, you'll see position, size, rotation, and alignment tools grouped together. That's where we'll do the rotation. If your top toolbar is crowded, hover your cursor to reveal all the icons. The rotation options are usually indicated by curved arrows. To make the text vertical, click the Rotate Counterclockwise control. This rotates the selected text 90 degrees to the left, instantly changing your horizontal line into a vertical one. This orientation is great if you want the top of the text facing left, like you might see on a book spine or along the left edge of a poster. Alternatively, you can click Rotate Clockwise. This rotates the text 90 degrees to the right. Choose this if you want the top of the text facing right, which can make reading more comfortable depending on where the text sits in your layout. Either option gives you clean, precise 90-degree rotation without guessing angles. After rotating, take a moment to visually check spacing and alignment. Vertical type often benefits from centered alignment within its frame, and a quick reposition can help balance your layout. If snapping is enabled, it will make lining up your vertical text with other elements fast and tidy. That's it. Open Affinity, click your text, use the transform controls at the top, and rotate counterclockwise or clockwise to suit your design. Save your document, and you're done.